Good morning, students. Today in this class, we are going to learn or understand how to write a descriptive paragraph on person, place, event. And we also learn little about diary entry also, because these two are somewhat same. A descriptive paragraph describes a thing, a person, or place, or an event. The detailed information allows the reader to form an image in his or her imagination. The better the description, the clearer the image. Using the description allows the reader to form a better mental image of whatever is being described. In a descriptive paragraph, you have to write about what a person, place, or thing is like. Sometimes you may describe where the place is located. The purpose of descriptive writing is to make our readers see, feel, and hear what we have seen, felt, and heard. Whether we are describing a person, a place, or a thing, our aim is to reveal a subject through vivid and carefully selected details. Now let us understand some tips of descriptive writing. Descriptions of people or places. These portray the physical appearance of a person or place and show readers why the subject is important or special. The second, describing a place. Writing a descriptive essay about a place you have visited gives you the opportunity to convey a personal perspective or feeling about the subject location. When we describe a person, we choose to describe depends on your topic and purpose. When describing a person, you are not obliged to describe every single detail about the person's appearance. Sometimes it is better to focus on one or two outstanding features that convey something about the person's character. Description of event. Describe an event the writer has witnessed. We must have introduction, including something interesting and why this event is important or fun to go to. Description of location, time, and date must be followed. Describe the activities that happened. We must also have a conclusion in that. Then summarize why this event was worth attending and what you especially enjoyed. Whereas when we speak about the diary entry, this is writing a brief account of what occurs in writer's life, either a specific moment or a longer period, as his personal memoir to provide some glimpses of the past incidents in future life. So let's listen to some tips to write a descriptive paragraph. First of all, style should be informal and personal. Then always use short sentences. Your language should be simple, polite, and effective. You must keep word limit strictly. Make sure to choose a meaningful person, place, or thing, or as the question is given. Introduce the person, place, or thing that you are describing. Engage the reader's sense of sight. Describe how the moment or item feels. Describe how your subject sounds. This is all about today's descriptive paragraph and diary entry. As usual, you will be getting certain examples to get practiced through PDF. Till then, thank you.